Stress is mental or emotional tension caused by challenging events. Stress can be positive or negative. Positive stress alerts us of danger. Stress becomes negative when a person faces a lot of stress without relief. Stress can be caused by lots of things, like the demands of school and activities, low self-esteem, problems with friends, divorce, illness, or death of a loved one, or moving or changing schools. It's important to manage stress because it can cause mental and physical health problems like exhaustion, headaches, upset stomach, even depression. Luckily, there are a lot of things you can do to help manage stress. Exercise, eat healthy foods, practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, yoga, or meditation, and make time to relax. Listen to music, read a book, talk to a friend, or spend some time with a pet.